In this video, we will explain and demonstrate the dynamic load balancing feature of IQ EV Charger 2. Dynamic load balancing allows the IQ EV Charger to adjust the EV charging power according to the household power demand. This ensures that the total home consumption does not exceed the contracted per phase power or fuse rating, protecting the home and avoiding the need for expensive upgrades. The system monitors the total power demand of the home and compares it with the contracted supply. If household appliances, for example, air conditioning, ovens, or heat pumps, are consuming a lot of power, the IQ EV Charger 2 automatically reduces its charging rate to prevent overloading. When other appliances use less power, the charger can increase its output, ensuring the EV gets the fastest charge possible while staying within safe power limits. Let's now look at dynamic load balancing demonstration from a home in which IQ EV Charger 2 is installed. In this site, the total contracted power of the house is 8.5 kilowatts. The total imported power of 7.9 kilowatts is being consumed by the EV in the household. At this point, the EV consumes 6.5 kilowatts, and the household consumption is 1.4 kilowatts. As household power consumption increases, the charger reduces the charging power. When the household power consumption decreases, the charger increases the charging power once again to ensure the EV charges at the maximum rate of charge possible. This way, the IQ EV Charger 2 eliminates overload risks while reducing installation costs and optimizing charging performance. Please note, to prevent oscillation, there's an intentional buffer before which the EV charger starts charging. When the power difference is more than 200 watts per phase, the IQ EV Charger 2 will respond in under 30 seconds. For any larger power changes greater than 1,000 watts per phase, the response will be in less than 20 seconds. Contact the installer to get dynamic load balancing configured and enabled for your IQ EV Charger today.